Are your Power BI reports running slow? Is your data model becoming complicated and confusing? Perhaps you're just simply unsure if your organization is using Power BI the right way. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'd like to let you know why organizations are getting great value from a DataBear Power BI file audit. Power BI is a powerful tool, but it can be complex. It's easy to make mistakes, especially if you're new to Power BI. These mistakes can lead to slow reports, inaccurate results, poor visibility of key performance indicators, and ultimately, poor business decisions. So are you looking for a way to improve your Power BI reports and make them more efficient, reliable, and user-friendly? If so, our Power BI file audit service would be a great fit. As a Microsoft Gold partner, DataBear specializes in Power BI, and we have a team of experts who can help optimize your Power BI files. A Power BI file audit is a comprehensive assessment of your Power BI reports, covering aspects such as the query steps, data model structure, DAX measures, report performance, and report design. We examine your Power BI files and identify any issues that might affect the quality, accuracy, and speed of your reports. We also evaluate how well the reports are designed to use the rich interactive features Power BI offers to enhance decision-making. As a key outcome, our team will provide you with a detailed audit report that includes recommendations for improvement and best practices. A Power BI file audit is not only a way to fix problems, but also a valuable learning opportunity for your organization. You'll gain insights into how your Power BI files are structured and how they can be improved. You'll also learn how to follow the best practices that will ensure maximum value from your Power BI solutions. By having a Power BI file audit, you'll be able to deliver better reports to your stakeholders and enhance your data-driven decision-making. If you're already using Power BI and would like to ensure that you're getting the most value from the tool, our Power BI file audit service can help your business. Use the link below to schedule a meeting or contact us and we'll be happy to assist you. We look forward to empowering your team to be more data savvy. Bye-bye.